What happens if I clean my couch with this vacuum? People keep saying dust mites trigger allergies, and this thing actually has an LED sensor that turns red when it detects them. I'm kind of scared, but let's see what's actually living on my couch. This thing does 33,000 ultrasonic pats per minute to shake out all the deep dust mites. When it detects mites, the light turns red, and you just leave it there for a second. Once it turns fully blue, that spot is clean, and it's got UV light and hot air to kill germs and bacteria. Dust mites literally have nowhere to hide. All right, let's open it up. Oh my god, that is disgusting. I don't even know why I thought my couch was fine. Honestly, the only thing keeping me calm right now is knowing that when this thing turns red, it's automatically blasting them with heat, UV, and suction to kill everything. When I bought mine, it was $200 and now it's 60% off. I was so mad when I saw the price drop, and it even comes with a 10-year warranty and lifetime support. If you want to know what's actually inside your couch, grab it while it's cheap. I put the link